Hey, it's Amber, back with another video, and I haven't posted on here in so long. I've been like filming a bunch of videos, but then like I didn't really like them, or like for some reason they wouldn't like upload. I've been saying like a lot. But today I'm gonna be doing something different. So my cousin, she gets this thing that's like a monthly beauty sample thingy, and she gave me her hand-me-downs. It's called FabFitFun. It's like this, and this is the summer box, even though it's January. But I'm gonna be going through like a bunch of stuff in here and seeing like what it is. I don't know, I might test some stuff. But then we have body oil. You can't see it, can you? No. But it's French lavender, and it's mullein and sparrow. Let's see. I'm gonna take it out. I'll probably be unboxing stuff. Oh wow. Okay. So is this like, I'm sorry if I don't know like what stuff is even. Oh Jesus. Almost spilled that. Even if it's like supposed to be obvious, I guess. I don't know. Next we got Freematic Blush. Okay. It doesn't even sound like it's in the box. Oh. Okay. I'm dropping everything. You can't see it. There we go. That's what it is. Oh, okay. You're going back in. And then just reach in. Okay. I was intrigued by this because I like having like wavy hair. I do my wavy hair like after I take a shower. I like brush it out and then put it in a bun and let it dry overnight. But this is Everyday Beach Waves, and this is by FabFitFun, the company that sends the boxes. So I might be keeping this and like trying it out. Apply to wet or dry hair. Everyday Beach Waves provides hair with a light hold and wavy texture while conditioning and protecting with metal foam seed oil. I need that. I need a lot of conditioner in my hair. There's a bunch of like this. You know that grass stuff you get in your like Easter basket or something? There's a lot of it in there, and I already threw away stuff. Okay, more hair stuff. This is Healthy Hair Treatment, and it's 12 benefits. Seals color. Might need that for when I dye my hair. Smoothes, repairs, improves texture and manageability. Prevents split ends. Oh, I need that. Moisturizes, strengthens, protects from chlorine, wind and sun. Prevents flat iron damage. I don't flat iron my hair. Adds shine and softness. Protects from blow drying, and anti-aging formula. So that means if I use that, do I not get gray hair? Well, I'm only 15, so let's do this. Okay, this came in this, but it keeps falling out. So this is Makeup Forever, and this is Step 1 Skin Equalizer, Base Hydrating Primer. Okay. I just use lotion, but then I got another makeup brush. I got a makeup brush from Me. I have enough makeup brushes. That's the thing. Like, I don't know where I'm gonna put any of this. Okay, here's another wave spray. This is by why? How would I pronounce that wrong? It's not gonna show. How would I pronounce that wrong? But yeah, I'm gonna be using a lot of this just cause. Then we got Be Matte Blush. Okay. By City Color. We got these 3 colors. This is, alright, let's see. This is Fresh Melon, Blackberry, and Guava. Probably be using Blackberry a lot. Or maybe even Fresh Melon. I probably said those backwards. Whoops. Alright. This is Be a Bombshell Nail Polish and Va Va Voom. Just what I need is more nail polish. Okay. Ooh. I kind of like that. It's like, you probably, yeah. It's like a purple, but like without the light shining on it. Like, at first I thought it was like black, but I don't know. I like that. I'll probably use it all the time. There's a lot in here. This is Dirty Little Secret eyeshadow. Oh, that's pretty. How do you know? Okay. Teaser. I think that's the name of it. This Teaser. It's like a nude kind of one. I'm getting off camera. I like that one. I don't really have any nude. All I really have is like gold and like, I like this like red one that I use. So I'll probably be using this a lot. This is Rodeo Stem Cell Cleansing Cream. 2-in-1 cleanser and mask for dehydrated skin with stem cells, rose hip, and vitamin E. I have like a ton of cleansers. So I don't know. I have like 3 already. This is Living Proof. It's perfect hair day. 5-in-1 styling treatment by Living Proof. Okay. Next we got Mad Lash Black Mascara. What? Why can't I talk? This is by The Balm. Full cap to open. Oh, Jesus. Whoa. Okay. Alright. It's tiny, too. But I guess that's what happens with sample sizes. Just got a pile over here. This is Model Co. Contour Stick. Come on. There we go. I mean, alright. I use like powder. Come on. I don't contour all that much, so like having these products, I might like do more stuff, I guess. Like wear eyeshadow more, or like, yeah, contour more. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Why did I throw that there? It's gone now. Next we have all this grass stuff. Ooh, fuzzy. J-Cast Beauty. And it's Perfect Duo Brow Pencil. Okay. Which is good because I'm running out of my eyebrow things. I have the Brow Drama by Maybelline. I'm running out of it. And it comes with a brush too. Okay. Alright, we got 2 things left. This is the Brow Gel Clear Water Resistant Eyebrow Gel. Let's open this. Oh my gosh. This is water resistant and hypoallergenic, so that's what it looks like. It looks like mascara. This is by Tanya Crooks, so. And lastly, we got a matte eyeshadow palette by The Balm again. And okay. Oh, that's cool. I don't know. I'm fascinated by this. It's like a book. So it's like, it has this dude on the cover. And then you just like open it like a book. And there's the eyeshadow. It's brown, by the way. Yeah, it's brown. That's cool. I think I'm gonna be trying these out tomorrow. That's it, right? Yep. All that's left is grass. Oh crap, that's getting on my carpet. Okay. That was boring, wasn't it? Yeah, I had no clue what I was doing. I was just basically pulling them out and like saying what they were. So if you did like it, give it a thumbs up and comment down below like what's your favorite beauty product, like whether it's like a certain like brand or something, or even if it's just like eyeliner and eyeshadow. Like my favorite thing is eyeliner. I can't live without it. But thumbs up, comment, subscribe. Usually my videos are better than this. Usually. Whenever I upload, every once in a blue moon. I'm awkward, so if this is your first time seeing this and you want to keep watching for some strange reason, you're gonna have to get used to it. It's just who I am, and we're all ourselves here. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.